Ever wonder how millionaires seem to effortlessly grow their wealth? It's not about how much they make, it's how they manage it. In this video, we're breaking down the budgeting secrets of the wealthy so you can apply their proven strategies to your own life. Stick around, because these tips might just make your bank account smile. Think long-term, not short-term. Millionaires don't just think about today or tomorrow. They plan for decades. A major key to their success is their ability to focus on long-term financial goals rather than impulsive short-term decisions. For instance, instead of splurging on luxury items right away, they prioritize investments like real estate, stocks, or businesses that generate income over time. They calculate the potential future value of their money and act accordingly. You can adopt this mindset by identifying your own long-term goals, like buying a home, retiring early, or starting a business, and aligning your spending habits to support those objectives. Thinking long-term also means being disciplined enough to avoid unnecessary debt and putting your money to work in ways that create sustainable growth. Pay yourself first. One of the golden rules of millionaire budgeting is to always pay yourself first. This means prioritizing savings and investments before covering any expenses. Many wealthy individuals set aside a fixed percentage of their income, often 20% or more, for savings, retirement accounts, and other investments as soon as they get paid. The remaining amount is then allocated for expenses. This strategy ensures that their money is building wealth before it's spent on anything else. To implement this, automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers to a high-yield savings account or an investment account. Over time, this habit creates a financial safety net and allows your money to compound. Track every dollar. Millionaires know exactly where their money goes. While you might assume they have someone managing their finances, many self-made millionaires personally track their spending to ensure every dollar is accounted for. Apps like Mint, YNBV, You Need a Budget, or spreadsheets are great tools to emulate this practice. By tracking every dollar, they identify unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward investments or savings. This kind of financial mindfulness helps them maintain control and avoid waste. Try tracking your income and expenses for 1 month, and you'll likely be surprised by how much you spend on things you don't actually need. Live below your means. Despite their wealth, most millionaires aren't out buying expensive cars or designer clothes every week. Many, like Warren Buffett, live in modest homes and drive affordable vehicles. This is because they understand the value of living below their means. They prioritize financial security and growth over material possessions. To incorporate this habit, focus on spending less than you earn and resist lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as your income rises. Instead, direct those extra earnings towards savings or investments. By living simply today, you can build significant wealth over time. Diversify your income streams. Another budgeting secret of millionaires is that they rarely rely on a single source of income. They build multiple income streams, such as investments, side businesses, and rental properties. This approach not only increases their earning potential, but also protects them against financial setbacks. Diversification ensures that if one income stream falters, the others can sustain them. You can start small by exploring freelance work, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or launching a side hustle. Once you have multiple streams of income, allocate a portion of each toward your financial goals, ensuring your budget supports future growth. Create and stick to a budget. Millionaires understand the importance of having a plan for their money. They meticulously create budgets that align with their goals and stick to them. A good budget doesn't just restrict spending. It empowers you to allocate money toward what truly matters. Start by listing your income and fixed expenses, like rent or utilities. Then, set spending limits for discretionary expenses, such as dining out or shopping. Make sure to include categories for savings and investments. Tools like budget apps or a simple pen and paper can help you track your progress. By sticking to your budget, you'll avoid overspending and ensure every dollar serves a purpose. Leverage tax strategies. The wealthy are masters at minimizing taxes legally. They hire professionals or educate themselves to take full advantage of tax breaks, deductions, and credits. For example, contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA not only builds wealth, but also reduces taxable income. Real estate investments often come with tax benefits, such as depreciation write-offs. Learning about tax-saving strategies and planning your finances accordingly can save you significant amounts of money each year. Consider consulting a tax advisor to maximize your savings and apply these strategies to your own budget. Prioritize debt repayment. Millionaires don't let debt control their lives. They understand the importance of eliminating high-interest debt, such as credit cards, as quickly as possible. They focus on paying off liabilities that don't generate income while strategically using low-interest debt, like mortgages, to their advantage. If you're currently in debt, start by creating a repayment plan. Use methods like the debt snowball, paying off smaller debts first, or the debt avalanche, tackling high-interest debts first, to build momentum. By freeing yourself from debt, you'll have more room in your budget to focus on saving and investing. Build an emergency fund. One of the smartest budgeting habits millionaires follow is preparing for the unexpected. Life can throw curveballs, medical emergencies, job losses, or economic downturns. And having an emergency fund is key to financial resilience. Most millionaires set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account. This fund ensures they don't have to dip into investments or take on debt during tough times. You can start building your own emergency fund by setting aside a small amount from each paycheck and gradually increasing it. Once established, this fund will provide peace of mind and a financial safety net. Automate your finances. Millionaires understand that consistency is the key to building wealth, and one of the simplest ways to stay consistent is by automating their finances. They set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments so that these actions happen without relying on willpower or memory. By automating, they eliminate the risk of forgetting or spending money meant for important financial goals. You can do the same by scheduling recurring transfers to your savings account or contributing to investment accounts like index funds or retirement plans. Automation also helps you avoid late fees on bills and ensures you stay on track with your budget. This hands-off approach not only saves time, but also ensures your financial plan is always in motion, allowing you to focus on other areas of growth. Continuously educate yourself. Finally, millionaires never stop learning about money. They read books, attend seminars, and stay updated on financial trends to improve their budgeting and investing strategies. This commitment to financial literacy gives them an edge in making informed decisions. You don't need a finance degree to follow suit. Start with accessible books like The Richest Man in Babylon or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Podcasts, YouTube channels, and online courses are also great resources. By educating yourself, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to manage your money like a millionaire. Budgeting like a millionaire isn't about having a huge paycheck. It's about being intentional with every dollar. Which of these tips are you ready to implement in your own life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're serious about building wealth and achieving financial success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs a millionaire's mindset. See you in the next video.